Hello everybody, this is the demo for project scoping project by group 2, where we have created a poster evaluation system which can be accessed by an admin and an examiner. So the first endpoint is to help a user log in using either username, password or a bearer token in the case of an examiner. So let's say we are logging in as the username and password. So here we get the user along with a new token assigned to the user. Next, an admin can create a new examiner. Then they can also create a new team with members. They can get a new examiner. Sorry, they can get the list of examiners in the system, and these examiners can also be fetched by a particular ID. Next, they can also get all the teams present in the system along with all their details, and also can get the team by a specific ID if they want. Um, Next, the examiner can generate a unique QR code to uniquely identify an examiner or a team, which will further next help the examiner to log in and uniquely identify a new team. So this is the QR for this particular for this particular examiner, and this will be the QR for this particular team. Next, going next to the examiners can evaluate a team by passing the team ID and scores for each question. So if the evaluator had already evaluated the team, the score will be updated. Otherwise, a new score will be created. The examiners can also get a list of all the teams and their average scores present in the system. If we pass a team token created by the admin, we will get that individual team identified by that token. Next, the examiner can get a list of questions to evaluate in the app, and also can get these questions by the ID. Let's quickly go ahead and demo our website. As you can see, this is our website, and this can be accessed only by an admin, where on the first page we can see all the teams, the scores and the scoreboards of every team. Similarly, a new team can be created by the admin. So this team will be successfully created, and as we can see in the next page, we have a new team with a member. Similar goes for examiners. So upon creating this new examiner will get added, and we can see them over here. Now this we can scan this login. We can scan this code to log in an examiner. So this examiner is now logged in into the app, and they can see all the teams, and they can also evaluate a team. So in order to evaluate a team, we can click the evaluation button and we can scan the team. So let me show you the scanning once again. So we can scan this QR code and we'll get a list of teams, and the evaluation for the team can be submitted by answering all these questions and then hitting the submit button, and the evaluation will be sent and the scores will be updated. uh, Now, as you can see, the friends in friends, the new examiner evaluation got added, and the average was updated. Thank you very much.